السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ضيوفنا الكرام، نرجو من الجميع الوقوف والترحيب بمعالي إدواغ نجيرنهي رئيس وزراء جمهورية رواندا، ومعالي الشيخ نهيان مبارك آل نهيان وزير التسامح والتعايش والمفوض العام لإكسبو 2020 دبي إلى مسرح الأمم. Good afternoon, honored guests. Please stand and welcome the Right Honorable Edouard Ngirenhe, Prime Minister of the Republic of Rwanda, and His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan Mbarak Al Nahyan, Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence and Commissioner General of Expo 2020 Dubai, to the stage of nations. It's my esteemed honor to introduce and welcome His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan Mbarak Al Nahyan for his opening remarks.
Sorry, just got my mask in my pocket. Right Honorable Eduardo Negeriente, Prime Minister of the Republic of Rwanda, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you today as we gather to celebrate the National Day of the Republic of Rwanda, a land of 1,000 hills. We are very pleased to have such a unique and strong participation from Rwanda at Expo 2020 Dubai that present the best of your country has to offer to the world. I also take this opportunity to extend my warmest wishes to you and the people of Rwanda on the occasion of the National Heroes Day in honor and remembrance of those who made sacrifices for their country. As the UAE begins a new phase in our journey towards the next 50 years of development and prosperity, we are adamant that our past experiences have given us confidence and sense of resilience against any challenges that come our way. Our boundless ambition and determination stems from the example set by our visionary leaders and hard-working people who have shown the world at large that nothing is impossible. We are also particularly delighted that we have kept the promise we made to the international community by delivering an exceptional World Expo 2020 Dubai, one that has been a continuous to be a significant platform for vital conversations and pledges for positive action towards making the world a better place for us all. Under the theme, Remarkable Rwanda, Rwanda's pavilion showcases its rapid growth and rise to becoming a model state in Africa to the visitors of Expo 2020 Dubai. The exhibition invites us to witness the remarkable pace at which the country has grown through leadership and innovation, gives an outlook into Rwanda's bright future, and highlights key growth industries such as ICT, innovation, ecotourism, and the creative sector. Through its participation at Expo 2020 Dubai, Rwanda sheds light on its knowledge-based economy and how it is utilizing its participation to highlight the country's tourism hubs and center for business and trade. In this regard, I would like to express our appreciation to you, Right Honorable Prime Minister, and to the Commissioner General, Mr. Yves Arudukonda, and his team for Rwanda's admirable participation in this expo. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the bond shared between the UAE and Rwanda is very strong, and our collaborations continue to expand across multiple sectors, ranging from education, where we have focused on securing high-value education and leadership skills for future generations, to logistics, where we are partnering with Rwanda towards achieving its vision of being a key services and trade hub in Africa, as well as renewable energy, trade, and much more. The UAE believes in the potential of Rwanda and its great people. And through Expo 2020 Dubai, we look forward to further strengthening our relations and expanding the horizon of our cooperation for the mutual benefits of our people. With this, I welcome you again, Right Honorable Prime Minister, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to one of a kind global event, and hope that your time with us at the Expo 2020 Dubai is one of significant contributions and valuable outcomes. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Now please join me in welcoming this afternoon's honoree from the Republic of Rwanda, Honorable Prime Minister Edouard Ngirente, for his remarks.
Your Excellency Sheikh Nahayan, Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence, Excellencies, distinguished guests, on behalf of His Excellency Paul Kagame, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, I am pleased to welcome you to Rwanda National Day celebration at the Expo 2020 Dubai. We are happy to have you all here with us today. I would like to thank our hosts, the United Arab Emirates government, for the warm welcome and generous hospitality extended to us in particular, and to all Expo participants since it opened its doors in October last year. I would like to congratulate the United Arab Emirates leadership for successfully hosting the Expo 2020 and continuing to ensure engagement happen in a safe environment despite the COVID-19 circumstances. I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate the existing good bilateral relationship between Rwanda and your country. Our strong cooperation has given birth to joint programs promoting knowledge exchange, and partnerships, which have been proven important in driving trade and investment in various sectors of the economy. These include real estate, logistics, agriculture, horticulture, tourism and hospitality, and air transport, as well as healthcare and manufacturing industries. Excellencies, distinguished guests, the theme of Expo Dubai 2020, which is connecting minds and creating the future, is relevant. It offers a unique opportunity for countries to showcase diversity and potential, as well as foster strategic partnership for mutual benefit. The Expo Dubai 2020 is also an important platform for governments and business leaders to connect and discuss practical ways to attract investments. Today, as we gather with all of you to showcase Rwanda's culture and attractions, we also pay tribute to people who exemplified their highest values of patriotism, sacrificing for the well-being of our people. This day marks our National Heroes Day. It also symbolizes the start of Rwanda's recovery and development journey. Since 27 years ago, that has been anchored on a strong foundation of unity, peace, and reconciliation. Excellencies, distinguished guests, supported by unique homegrown initiatives and solutions, and strong values of self-reliance, dignity, and hard work, Rwanda has achieved remarkable development gains. Rwanda has emerged as one of Africa's fastest growing economies for the last 2 decades, till before COVID-19 pandemic. It achieved an average growth rate close to 8%. It also arose as the second easiest place to start and do business in Africa. Rwanda has further established a universal health insurance system for all Rwandans, positioning itself as a leading tourism destination in the region, and is an emerging proof of concept destination for innovators. Even though the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted our economy in 2020, just as it did for the world economy, Rwanda registered a growth rate of 10.2% in 2021, and we are now projecting this year to grow at 7.2% minimum. This is possible thanks to programs and initiatives put in place by the government. One of the lessons we have learned from the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic is the importance of collaboration, innovation, and cooperation. We believe that these are important tools to help nations fight against the spread of COVID-19 and its negative impact on the recovery process globally. It's in this regard that we welcome you to visit our pavilion and explore further opportunities for investment in technology and innovation, financial services, education, health, renewable energy, as well as many other sectors in Rwanda. As I conclude, I would like to thank again the United Arab Emirates and all the organizers for this organizing, and all the organizers for organizing this great event. I wish you all a successful Expo 2020 Dubai. I thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister.
mukinira kamuzi nzari mu biro nangire nteburege yabona ifa sikanyarugoye ntakijya kure hakurya kure karamba iwabo bose ku bombi gahunda mukunguri nazinginze yemwe ntore z'u Rwanda yemwe abahungu muhuje ikirenge bagabo bampaye iyo mwiriwe ntarunguye ikotaniro nabanje gwikona makuza rwa mukinuzi n'ubukomba ajyana imbere y'ingabo yagereye anga karwana kibirizi nshimahimbe yaragiye ntacyo byo ingora bahiziye n'ingora bahize nkomeza kurinda kubutanishagisha barya baturindana ingabo ubwo n'urukereza rw'urwanya twambaye inkingi urugamba yinangiza ibigarama zirazimangana ibibazo agacemera tugasohoka rishanga imana rwose batugacura imihigo iyo mwiriwe ntarunguye iyo mwiriwe ntarungu mboneza amakuza rutabangiye mikoro hano.
Thank you to the Rwanda National Ballet for that striking presentation. And with this, we conclude our official National Day ceremony of the Republic of Rwanda. Now, please join me once again in thanking everyone who has joined us here this afternoon, and welcome to Expo 2020 Dubai.